Hi guys, so a lot of people have been asking how I manage to wear wigs when I have locks, and I'll give you the 4-in-1 in a bit. The same principles should apply to any other loose strand hairstyle like braids. All you'll need are hairpins, like a lot of them, because you'll need to secure your hair in place once you've parted it. Speaking of parting, let me get to that. So you'll section your hair into 4 parts, right? And then you'll take one and braid it. I loosely braid it because I don't want any tension on my head. Like so. And I'll go to the second one. It doesn't need to be perfect because remember, you're gonna wear a wig on top of this. See, I've got 2 braids now. Now for the other side. Last bit. Now I have 4 braided tails that I'll now secure into a little halo. Doesn't have to be perfect, remember that. It's just making sure that your hair is flat. So I'm taking out a few pins. Hold them into place. I'll wrap them around my head, like so. Now for the last bit, then I'll neaten up the halo, just so that it's as flat as possible. Now that I've secured my hair in place with the hairpins, I'm now ready to wear a wig cap or any other cloth that will protect my hair against any sort of friction when I place the wig on my head. I'll be using the one I got for free from Au Natural Wigs. They supply these whenever you place an order for one of their bold and beautiful Afrocentric wigs, which I'll also be using in this tutorial. Like I said, they have included a wig cap that can be used. This is like stocking material, so you simply just put it over your head. This is how I look with my wig cap on. I particularly like these Au Natural wigs because they are low maintenance. I usually use my hands to shake them, sometimes a brush, and give it a cold wash whenever I feel like it's a bit greasy, and then I apply a bit of sheen or leave-in conditioner, and that's it. Now it's time to wear my wig. called the Lefafa Wig. Yes, it's named after me. Thank you once again to Pindi at Au Natural Wigs for giving me that honor. Yeah, you can get your own on social media. Her handle on Instagram is Au Natural Wigs, so you can just hit her up and tell her that I upload you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any updates. I also have a website, LERATOLEFAFA.com, where you can check out more lifestyle topics. Mwah!